already discussed about LCM. Today we are going to learn about HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Okay, let's take one example. 24 and 36. We need to find out the common factors and which one is the highest one, that is called HCF. Okay, so let's find out the factors for 24. 1 is a common factor, 2 12s are 24 and 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So these are the factors for 24. Let's take the factors for 36. 1, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 6 6 are 36, right? 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36 and 18 2s are 36, 36 1s are 36. These are the factors for 36. So let's see the common factors. These are the common factors, yes. And one more common factor is there here. See, what is this number? 12. So this is the highest common factor. So what is HCF of 24 and 36? Number 12, right? So these are all common factors, but among all these, which one is the highest one? 12. So 12 is the highest common factor for 24 and 36. This is the process as we have studied in our previous classes. Now I will tell you one shortcut for finding out HCF. Okay? Now see, 24 and 36. How can we tell within seconds? Let's find the difference between these two numbers. What is the difference between these two numbers? 36 minus 24. How much? 12. Right? 12. This is the difference between the two numbers. And check whether 12 is the divisor of 24 and 36. Yes. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So 12 is the divisor of these two numbers, right? So 12 is the HCF. Okay, got it everyone? Now let's take one more example for this. 15, 45 and 55. Now three numbers given here and we have to find out the difference between the numbers and take the least difference. Okay, 15, 45. What is the difference between these two numbers? 30. Okay, and 45 and 50. What is the difference? 5. And 15 and 50, 50. What is the difference between these two numbers? 35. So what is the least difference? 5 is the least difference, and check whether it is a divisor of the given numbers or not. Yes, 5 is a divisor of 15 and 5 is a divisor of 45 and 5 is a divisor of 50, 50. So these numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 is the HCF of the given numbers. Let's take one more example, 12, 15 and 20. So find out the difference. 3, 5, obviously this is 8 is bigger than the remaining number. So what is the least difference? 3 is the least difference, and check whether it is a divisor of the given numbers or not. 12 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3, but 20 is not divisible by 3. So I am writing this into factors 3 into 1. 3 into 1 equal to 3. Right? So, it is not divisible by 3. We go for 1. Obviously, 1 is the divisor of any number, right? So, 1 is the HCF of the given numbers 12, 15 and 20. Okay? This is the process to find out the HCF.